In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with Microsoft Copilot in Word. First, open the Word document you want to work on. With your document in view, look for the Copilot icon. You'll usually find it at the top right of the window or in a panel along the left side. Click it to open the chat pane. This is your workspace for asking questions, getting summaries, and drafting content without leaving your document. In the chat pane, type your prompt just like you would talk to a helpful assistant. You can ask Copilot to summarize sections, draft new paragraphs, or answer questions about your topic. For example, you might say, summarize the introduction in 3 bullet-style sentences, or draft a friendly professional email based on my notes. Copilot uses the context of your document and, when appropriate, information from the web to tailor its responses, so you get results that are relevant to what you're writing. If you want Copilot to focus on a specific part of your document, highlight that text before you ask your question. This tells the chat to pay special attention to your selection and helps it deliver tighter, more accurate results. It's especially useful for long reports where you only want a short recap of a section, or when you need to refine a paragraph without changing the rest. Prefer speaking instead of typing? Use voice input in the chat pane to talk to Copilot. It will transcribe what you say and respond in the same way as a typed prompt. This can be great when you're brainstorming ideas or want to move quickly. You can also start a general conversation if you don't have text selected. Ask for an outline, request a stronger opening sentence, or get clarifying information to help organize your thoughts. If the first response isn't quite right, follow up with simple instructions like shorter, more formal, or include an example. Iterating like this helps you shape the result faster. When you're happy with Copilot's response, add it directly to your document. You can insert it as new content or use it to refine what's already there. Always take a moment to review and adjust the wording so it matches your voice and the style of the rest of your document. A few quick tips. Be specific in your prompts about tone, length, and audience. Highlight when you want focus. And keep your requests simple and direct. With these habits, chatting with Copilot in Word becomes a smooth, productive part of your writing workflow.